G'day folks, and welcome to another Ken's Home video. And these are some of the events that I watched over the 2018 Muscle Car Masters at Eastern Creek. Included in our MC Hammer Time was a lecture from Kevin Bartlett, Gary Rogers and Gricey. We also got lunch included.
Apart from looking at the fences at some of the racetracks, the youth in favour the way I really didn't like ovals. They didn't mean a great deal to me coming from a road racing background and aerodynamics and such. It was all early days with aerodynamics.
This year they've allowed the road cars to have a run around the track. Selected few, there's 23 of us, and our event's called MC Hammer Time. Included in our fees for this event, we got our door sticker numbers. Mine was number 79, also a windscreen banner. That's so the commentators know what car you're driving and who you are. Idea was we're supposed to form up behind the safety car, but that was nowhere to be seen, so the pace was started to get a bit hectic from then on. We got in 4 laps all told, and as we got on there was a big gap between me and the next car in front, so I just gave it everything I could, and I eventually got better every lap that I went. Down the main straight, for the fastest time that I looked at was 190, so I was going pretty quick. take the L34. Never saw the pace car, so we just got to flat out run around the track. It was great. Totally enjoyed it for the MC Hammer time. Okay, catch us later. Looks like David Wall's the first on the starting grid for the Group NC. This is the old ex-Bob Jane Monaro. Over the course of the weekend I didn't get that much motor racing footage because of talking to people mainly, and doing the MC Hammer time took a bit of time, organising things and getting stickers and stuff like that, so not a great deal of video from the motor racing this year. But anyway, we're at the back of the pits here, getting ready for the Group NC. One of the categories is getting really big in Australia. It's called the TA2s. It's like Trans Am, but modern ones. They've got LS motors in them and space frame chassis, and evidently they're not that expensive to buy. I think someone said about 150,000, which is pretty cheap for a modern race car. There's a fair few car club guys out here and a lot of beautiful cars up on the skid pair. As I said before, this is what they used to put us on the top of the hill with the corral. Okay folks, that's just about it for Ken's Home Video and the 2018 Muscle Car Masters. Until next time, I'll catch you later.